Hello and welcome to the English We Speak. I'm Feifei.
And I'm Roy. I'm glad you're here, Feifei. I'm really upset. Rob just sent me an email saying thanks for all my hard work and that I was a goat.
I think that email was intended for me, for I am the goat. It makes me very happy when people call me that.
You like being called a goat?
No, Roy. GOAT is an acronym for the greatest of all time. That's why that email was meant for me.
Ah, that makes more sense about why Rob would call me a goat. Because I did bake him over 1,000 biscuits.
Well, I'll buy him 2,000 biscuits from the shop and then we'll see who Rob thinks is the goat. Clearly, everyone thinks it's me.
You're very competitive, Feifei. Plus, I baked, not bought the biscuits. Let's calm down while we listen to some examples.
That footballer is truly amazing. Every ball she touches ends in a goal. She's the GOAT. Have you seen the new film in the Pelican series? The special effects, story and acting are all perfect. It's the GOAT. My friend said that Ed Sheeran is the GOAT, but I'm not sure I agree. He's not my favourite artist.
This is the English We Speak from BBC Learning English, and we're talking about the expression GOAT. GOAT is short for greatest of all time and is used to talk about things or people that we think are the best.
Yes, for example, footballers or other sports stars who you think are number one. You can call them the GOAT.
It can be a way to express your opinion. You can even use it for video games or films.
For example, the film that I think is the GOAT is...
Don't even finish that sentence, Roy. No film that you like could be considered good, let alone the GOAT.
Right. Well, at least Rob thinks I'm the GOAT. I'll go and say thanks to him for his kind email.
OK, Roy. Bye.
Bye.